So if you are given the standard form, the vertex form of the equation, obviously it's super easy to find the vertex. It's just the h and the k. If you have the general form, and that's the ax squared plus bx plus c, when you want to find the vertex, this is what we use. The x coordinate of your vertex is negative b over 2a. And you used that last year when you were in Algebra 2. And then to find the y-coordinate, you just have to plug in the x-coordinate into the function. Okay. So remember, if a is greater than 0, if your leading coefficient is greater than 0, that means your parabola is opening up. So your vertex is going to be a minimum value. Okay, the minimum is located at negative b over 2a, and the minimum value is the y value. So you have to plug in the x. If your leading coefficient is negative, that means your parabola is opening down, and that means you have a maximum value at negative b over 2a. And the maximum value is when you plug that in. So I think we mentioned this last week, but negative b over 2a is also the axis of symmetry. So if you are asked where the minimum or maximum value is, that is the x-coordinate. Okay, where it is the x-coordinate. That's the negative b over 2a. If you're asked what the minimum or maximum value is, that's the y-coordinate. So you have to take your negative b over 2a and plug that into the function. Okay, so just be careful when it's asking where the minimum or maximum is versus what it is. Those are two different questions. Okay, so we have a baseball. So this baseball's hit. This is the function. F of x is the height of the baseball, and x is the horizontal distance from home plate. Okay, so baseball's hit from home plate, and it goes like this. Okay, we want to know the maximum height of the baseball. Okay, it's asking what is the maximum height. So it's asking for the y-coordinate. How high is it? Now, in order to find that, we need to know where it is. So this happens at the vertex. Well, how do we find the vertex? The vertex is at x is negative b over 2a. So let's plug that in from our equation. Here's our a. B is 1, that's c, which we don't really need. So we have negative 1 over 2 times negative 0.007. Okay, so plug that into a calculator. And I get negative 71, nope, it should be positive 71.43. Let me try that one last time. Yeah, positive. Okay. So once the ball has traveled a horizontal distance of 71.43 feet, that's when it's at its maximum height. Well, how do we find that maximum height? We have to plug 71 into our function. So we're going to take negative 0.007 times 71.43 squared plus 71.43 plus 4. And when we do that, I don't know, I haven't done this yet, 71.43 squared, we get 39.7 feet. And that's how high it is in the y direction. So that is our maximum height that the baseball reaches.